we just got a bunch of new fish. In this box, I got 20 new fish. So we're gonna unbox it. We'll look at what we got. It's cool Plecos. You guys don't want to miss out. All these cool new fish that I got. So these fish are from Jason. And he decided to hook me up with a bunch of new caves that he's supplying to the market. I really like these. This is the round cave, it's the square cave. We're gonna try these out with the fish we just got. And I believe these guys sell for about $7 each on his website. I'll put a link to it on the bottom description. And the caves are designed and made by Pleco Caves Canada. By Canadian, eh? So really happy with the caves. Square, round, $7 each. That's a really nice cave. Pleco Caves Canada. I'm actually going to order a bunch of these caves from him really soon. So that's what's up. And he also hooked me up with one of these. And so you have the water dripping in from there into this little egg chamber. And should be really cool for Pleco fry. So I'm going to try this out probably with the L401s as they spawn. And so we'll see this in action in the coming video, so stay tuned for that. Without further ado, the main attraction of the video is the fish that we got. I haven't figured out where I'm going to put them, so I'm just going to pull them out, look at them real quickly, and then we'll decide where we're going to move these fish to, okay? So the first bag, wow, they are nice. So we'll see that in a second. I haven't figured out where I'm going to put them, so that's going to be the next mission.
Produced by Malik.
What is going on, world? Welcome back to Aqua Malik. Everyone, I think I have a problem. I can't stop buying fish. Yeah, I just bought 25 new Plecos. They were not cheap. They're all expensive fish that everybody really wants to get. And I couldn't help it. I just had to get them. So we're going to unbox these fish and put them into tanks. I haven't really figured out where they are going to go because I wasn't planning to get these fish yet. So it was kind of an impulse buy in a sense where I was planning to get the fish, just not today. I was only going to get 5 of the fish today. And then my friend called me and he said he's going to drive by this way if I wanted some of the fish that he had, which I was going to get 5 more of from him. So in total I was supposed to get 10 fish. But I ended up picking up 10 more, 20 more actually, or 15 more, whatever. So pretty much I'm tapped out of cash and I have a lot of fish already here, and my friend is bringing some more in a bit. These are all expensive Plecos, so you don't want to miss out on the cool fish we got. So these are the L134 leopard frogs. They are gorgeous. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm going to keep them in here or not. I feel like I could, but I could also put them with the L401 tank where I have the other leopard frog Plecos in quarantine. So it shouldn't be too much of an issue. But I haven't still decided. They're still acclimatizing and I have a little bit more time to decide. So I might just crack a beer, sit here and look at the fish and decide where I'm going to put them. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe because there's going to be a lot of updates coming up on all these cool new fish that I just got. I believe these are the main attraction for today. They are the L260 Queen Arabesque. So these fish were discovered in 1998, I believe. And they're new to science. There's no real scientific data on them. They are hypencestrous. And they are a different species on their own. And they are a stunning fish. So we'll be putting these guys in this tank with my other L134 group. There's 5 adults in here that are breeding. So these are wild caught fish. And I'm really excited to get these guys spawning. And so we're going to be putting these guys in here to quarantine for now. I haven't really decided if I want to pull out the L134s and move them into another tank. But I will probably end up leaving them here with these guys because there's only 15 fish and there's like 25 caves in here of varying sizes. Comment below and let me know what your thoughts are and if you think I should be moving them into their own tank or if I should just leave them here with these guys. And comment and let me know what you guys think I decided to do, because I haven't really decided yet. I'm still trying to debate what to do. I still have a little bit more time to figure this out. So I will be deciding in the next half an hour or so. I decided to take out the 5 leopard frog plecos that was in this tank, and I'm moving them with the other 5 and the L401s. So there'll be 10 in that group together, which was the original plan. So these are the bigger 10, and we'll go from there. So I did decide to move the L134s, the 5 adults that I had in the tank, into this tank. This has the other 5 L134s and the L401s. There's some nice fish in here now. So I'm really excited for this tank. The temperature in here is about 79, 80 degrees. I did contact the fisherman who caught the L401s, and I asked him the water parameters of the river that they actually were caught from, so I do have all that data. We'll be looking at an advanced care and maintenance video for those guys in upcoming videos, and I also have an entire video series planned on the L134 leopard frog plecos, all the way from care and maintenance to breeding. I find that a lot of seasoned breeders keep these guys a lot warmer than they should be. Their highest tolerable temperature is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's look at the rest of the fish. Alright, I decided to move all the L134s that were in quarantine in this tank into another tank with the other 5 L134s that were also in quarantine. So they're all together now as a group of 10. Plus the L471s or the 401s, and these are the L260 Queen Arabesque, and we're gonna put these guys in here next. Alright, without further ado, let's get these guys out. I'm not too worried about anything coming from this wholesaler who is my friend. I get all my fish from him, so these fish are very healthy. They've been in quarantine for over 2 months now. I just want to get them all out of the bag as soon as possible, because they've been in here for about an hour now, and they did poop a little bit in the bag, which is a good sign, because that means my friend has been feeding them well, and they're all healthy fish. So let's go out, guys. Come on. That's the first one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Let's go. Come on, do that. Let's go. 10. Whoa, look at them. They're gorgeous. Oh my God. You guys have to see these. That's one magnificent fish. Now, for the record, I wanted these guys for the longest time. So this is not an impulse buy in a sense where I just saw the fish today and I got the fish. I know a lot of information about these guys, including how to breed them. My friend had a group 2 years ago, the same person I got these from, and he was breeding them, and I was on the waiting list for some of the fry at the time, but I didn't ended up getting those because financial situations, and now I'm at a position where I did have a little bit extra money this month from fish sales, and this is a business now, so I can invest some of my proceeds towards my business, which is completely normal. So that's what I've been doing. I've been investing or reinvesting some of the money I'm making back into buying these fish. So without further ado, let's open the other bag. So this is bag number 2. I really like how Jason packs these guys. He's very concerned about the well-being of the fish. Even though they are only coming about 20 minutes, he made sure that they are well packed and they are not going to have any issues. I could probably keep these guys in the bag overnight and they wouldn't have any issues. So these are the L134 leopard frogs. These are a little bit smaller than my other group, but I wanted to get some more, so this is what I could afford. So we got 10 more of the L134 leopard frogs. So I'm really excited. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, dudes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, there they are. Let's look at them real briefly. You guys might be wondering how I just pick up 10 fish without finding out the sex ratios or anything like that. I honestly don't know how many males and females I have of any particular fish. I don't care about those things. I have over 30 L134s, and there's bound to be at least 1 or 2 females and 1 or 2 at least males, right? Usually when you buy larger groups, you usually get an even sex ratio or slightly higher females, depending, because especially if you buy the smaller fish out of the group, you get more females, in my experience at least, because the larger ones tend to be also males. So I always ask my friend to pick me 1 or 2 of the larger fish and the rest of the smaller sizes, so that there's a better chance of males and females. So I'm really excited with this purchase. We'll be looking at these fish in the coming weeks and months, so stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. The other 5 fish have not arrived yet, so I will make a separate video about those guys. You don't want to miss out those. Those are actually more nicer than these guys even. So stay tuned for that and hit that notification icon, and keep an eye out for the next video, which should be coming out right after this, which will highlight the 5 other fish that I'm picking up today. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. I love you all. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you all.